subscribe.
Skinny pedal all the way.
To race you. What was that?
I know. It's all money. It's not even built.
Hey. But you would have had him anyways. And I think he knew it.
I know.
Wouldn't race him, eh?
It's really slow. All stock.
Yeah. pretty darn close, huh?
Yeah, I'm all stock.
Yeah, they came with header wrap.
Yeah,
factory.
No stopping, no breaking. Yeah, I'm always on the go.
I'm gonna have to go get my welder and shit.
Pull you back here?
No.
Honestly, it's not in the way.
Oh. Uh-oh. It looks like it's back up.
Oh, it's gonna be in a few. It'll be back up and running or nothing.
Oh, you got a wrench on there.
Broke this one? Oh yeah, dude, it's mint. It's
Custom.
absolutely mint.
Custom.
And No, it broke off of this and popped out, and then popped my entire CV axle out. So once we get some blocks, that's going right back in there. That's getting welded. That's getting welded. She's ready to go.
Okay, so I'll have to wait until.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely, my good sir.
And wheel spacers.
Oh yes, damn right.
Gotta space them out.
Little 3.7 liter V6 with stacks on it.
16 cold black horses strung up in a line. I drown them by the check line till I find that girl of mine. Walked up to the chief policeman, said, "Son, what time is it?" He started looking me over. He put the snippers on my wrist. Pulled a gun from the side and shot him. He fell
Sparkly truck's getting some wiring.
It's getting some sparky on the sparkly.
Well, I'd say some people are like, why'd you build a Suburban? I said, like, all 7 other fucking people. Yep. Like, I did not build this for me. Yeah. Look at this guy.
He built it for me.
Have you ever rode in it?
No, that's for videoing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not for riding in it.
Well, I mean, I stuck your sticker on the side of it.
Yeah. Going under.
Yep. Time to a rear main and connecting rod bearings.
Gonna go right into the oil pan.
Yep, we're gonna drop oil pan, do connecting rod bearings. Yep, with the pan. Bearing.
Yeah, don't get that in your eyeball.
That one didn't feel bad.
Do you want
Actually, it looks like maybe just those 2 center ones.
Do you want a paper
No,
towel?
I got play there.
5 minutes later.
We're gonna get to see him run. A little slow. Seen that.
Oh, big Ronda?
Yeah, I've never seen it go.
Were you not here when that one and Mortis went through together?
Nope.
Oh shoot, that was.
Not any better. The second shot.
Not better.
You gonna go out there and excite it up for us?
No, we're going up the rocks. We're gonna crawl. You should go up there, yeah.